Hello, my dear students. Lucas Commerce Academy, the power of accounting welcomes you. My dear students, I have a small request for you. You have so many friends and relatives who are studying accounting and commerce. Please communicate about our channel and request them to like, to share, and to subscribe our channel. This will be a great help for me to create many videos. Thank you. Today, as a part of bills of exchange, let us discuss dishonor of bill. Dishonor of bill. Okay, good. Let us take our previous example. Okay, that is Mr. A sold goods to B for rupees 10,000 on January 1st, 2024 and drew a bill for 3 months. Okay, the bill was dishonored on its due date. So, past journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. Okay, once again, Mr. A sold goods to B for rupees 10,000 on 1st January 2024 and drew a bill for 3 months. The bill was duly accepted and returned to Mr. A. So, but the bill was dishonored on its due date. The bill was dishonored on its due date. So, what is our due date? So, our due date is January 1st plus 3 months plus 3 days. January 1st plus 3 months plus 3 days. So, that is January 1st plus 3 months plus 3 days. Okay. So, January 1st plus 3 months plus 3 days. That means April 4th. So, April 4th is our due date. On this date, B has to pay rupees 10,000 to Mr. A, but on due date, B fails to pay the amount to B. So, this is called dishonor. Dishonor means when the drawee fails to pay the amount on the bill on its due date. So, when bill is dishonored, how to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee under 4 cases. Case 1, when the drawer retains the bill till the due date. Second one, when the drawer discounted the bill with his banker. Third case, when the bill is endorsed. Fourth case, when bill is sent to bank for collection. So now let us discuss one by one. Okay. So once again, the drawer retains the bill till the due date. When bill is discounted, when bill is endorsed, when bill is sent to bank for collection. Okay. So let us discuss one by one. Okay. The first one is retains the bill. Okay. So here the drawer retains the bill with him till the due date and presented it to drawee, but drawee fails to pay the amount on the bill, hence the bill is dishonored. In this case, how to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. Okay, so let us take first drawer. Okay, so what are the journal entries are to be passed in the books of drawer? The first journal entry, usual entry, goods sold to B. What is the journal entry? B's account data to sales account, or drawee account data to sales account. First one over. Second one, when bills receivable received from drawee, then the journal entry for this is bills receivable account data to drawee, that means to B account. So the second journal entry, bills receivable account data to B's account. Okay. So next third journal entry, on its due date, the bill was dishonored. The bill was dishonored. That means, so the second journal entry, bills receivable account data to B's account. When the bill is dishonored, then this bills receivable becomes useless or worthless. Hence, it is to be cancelled. So it was debited previously. Okay, it was bills receivable account was debited previously. To cancel bills receivable account, we are going to credit to that account. So that means bills receivable account should be credited because it was already debited. Now that bill becomes worthless. Hence, bills receivable account is credited. The same principle applicable to B also. Okay, so B account already credited. Now we are going to cancel B account. That means B account is debited. So that means what is the entry for dishonor? B's account data to bills receivable account. B's account data to bills receivable account. So dishonor entry is the reverse of second journal entry. That means B's account data to bills receivable account. So here B's account was credited, now debited. There bills receivable account debited, here bills receivable account credited. Okay, good. So the dishonor entry is B's account data to bills receivable account. B's account data to bills receivable account. So these are the three journal entries are passed in the books of drawer. Once again, goods sold to B, B's account data to sales account. Second, when the bills receivable received from B, bills receivable account data to B's account. Then third journal entry, when bill is dishonored, the second journal entry is to be reversed. That means B's account data to bills receivable account. So for the purpose of cancellation, B's account is debited here. For the purpose of cancellation, bills receivable account is created here. So these are the three journal entries are passed in the books of drawer. Next come to books of drawee. The first one, when goods purchased, ordinary journal entry, purchases account data to drawer account or purchases account data to A's account. Second one, when bill is accepted, so that means drawer account data to bills payable account or A's account data to bills payable account. So A's account data to bills payable account. On due date, we are not paying the amount to drawer. So that means bill is dishonored. So what is the journal entry for bill dishonored? So simply this entry will be reversed. That means bills payable account data to A's account. Bills payable account data to A's account. Here also reversing entry. This one also reversing entry. Okay. So what is the journal entry for bill dishonored in the books of drawee? Bills payable account data to A's account. So here bills payable account was created to cancel bills payable account. Now bills payable account is debited. Then A's account already credited. Previously it was credited. A's account was created previously. To cancel A's account, we are going to credit A's account. That means bills payable account data to A's account. So these are the journal entries are passed in the books of drawer and drawee. Okay, got it. So let us discuss about noting charges. Noting charges. This is also very, very important. So the term noting charges will arise when bill is dishonored. When bill is dishonored, the drawer needs official proof for dishonor. So that means Mr. A needs official proof for dishonor to move the court to sue on Mr. B. In this case, the drawer approaches the public notary, that means a government official or lawyer. He informs the details of dishonor. Then the public notary records all these transactions in his book and issues a certificate called protesting. This protesting is official proof for dishonor. With the help of this, the drawer can move the court. Okay. So for rendering his services, the public notary charge some amount. Such amount is to be taken as noting charge. This noting charge is initially paid by the drawer, then he recovers the same amount from the drawee. In this case, how to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. Okay, take first one, books of drawer. First journal entry, usual entry. Second one also usual entry. Third one, suppose bill amount rupees 10,000. Noting charges, for example, 1,000 rupees. That means total 11,000 rupees. Okay. In this case, how to pass journal entry? So that means in third journal entry, we are taking noting charges. In third journal entry, we are taking noting charges. Okay. That means B's account debtor. That means the total amount to be received from drawee is 11,000. So 11,000. B's account data 11,000 to Bill's receivable account. We cannot change this amount 10,000 to cash or bank account. To cash or bank account 1,000 rupees. So this is the journal entry for bill dishonored with noting charges. So B's account data, the total amount due from B is 11,000. So B's account data 11,000 to Bill's receivable account. We cannot change this figure to cash or bank account 1,000 rupees. Okay. In the books of drawee, what should be done? First journal entry, our usual journal entry can be passed. Second one also same entry. So noting charges should be taken only in third journal entry. That means bills payable account debtor. No change. We cannot change this item 10,000. So noting charges is an expense for us. That means noting charges account debtor. Noting charges account debtor 1,000 rupees to A's account 11,000 rupees. That means the total amount due to A 11,000. So these are the journal entries are to be passed when bill is dishonored with noting charges. With noting charges. Okay. In next class, we are going to discuss bill dishonored under second case. That means when the drawer discounting the bill. Okay. In next video, we will discuss. Till then, thank you. Thank you very much.